What's going on again, guys? Jason S. here from Jones Acura in Lancaster. Wanted to give you guys a quick walk around video of this 2018 Acura ILX Special Edition. We got this in from a trade-in, one owner, locally owned, serviced here at Jones dealerships. So let's dive in and show you everything that you're going to get with this Special Edition ILX. Alright guys, 2018 Acura ILX Special Edition. This vehicle's got 27,600 miles on it. Again, clean title, clean Carfax on it. It was a one owner lease vehicle traded into our dealership here at Jones. Just want to go over everything that you're going to get with this. So what the Special Edition actually is, it is your standard package ILX. So it's that base ILX, but it's going to give you some of the cool A-spec features that were out back in that 2018 model year. So coming up here, you do have the nice clean 18-inch alloy wheels coming with the vehicle. You'll also get the Underbody Spoiler Kit that you see there. And we walk around here to the back side. They're going to give you that Decklid Spoiler with the chrome accent right back there. So to go over everything else that you're going to get with this car, let's start up front as we always do. Underneath the hood is a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine with 201 horsepower. It's paired up with a 9-speed dual clutch transmission, LED headlights and turn signal indicators, as well as your LED daytime running lights. So if you take notice, your daytime running lights here, you got your turn signal indicators, and then you got your actual headlights. Your high beams are also going to be LED. So as we walk around this car, again, this is the crystal black pearl color. It's got the ebony interior. I don't have really good lighting on this side of the car, but we move over here back to the driver's side. It does have the keyless access system on the front two doors here. So you got your lock button, and then grabbing the door handle will unlock the door. Just like all the Acuras, we can customize this to where it's going to unlock just the driver door or all the doors when you grab that driver door handle. Open this up inside, get a look, see what you're gonna get. Memory key setting is unfortunately not available on this trim package, but you do get the 6-way power adjustable seating on the driver's side, 4-way power adjustable seating on the passenger side. Leatherette seating with the heated front seats. Steering wheel mounted controls for you for your radio controls, your Bluetooth connectivity, multi-informational display screen in the center, and you're also going to get your cruise control and everything along those lines on this model as well. Start this car up so you guys can take a look at the instrument panel. As you see, 27,607 miles. You got your LCD display, dual climate control, backup camera. There's your backup camera. I don't know if you guys can see that really well. Hopefully you do. 3 different views on the backup camera. Wide, normal, and then a top-down view as it tries to get into focus here. Again, we give you heated front seats, 9-speed transmission. You do get a USB port, AM, FM, CD player, auxiliary for that USB port, Pandora interface, and everything along those lines. Standard with every Acura is going to be your moonroof. Check out the back seats. Nice back seat. You do see these 2 indentations on the leather. That is from a child safety seat that was in the vehicle prior from the first owner. But as I mentioned, kept in really clean condition. Go over the only thing that I really noticed when we traded this car in was there was a slight little mark here on the hood. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's right around this area here. Very, very faint now. Our detail shop did a great job getting rid of that mark there in the back. Other than that, this car, as I said, is a very clean car. No issues, no dents, no dings, or anything along those lines around the car. So if you guys want to come in and take a look at this vehicle, please give us a shout here at Jones Dealerships. We'll gladly assist you with taking a look at the vehicle, taking it for a test ride, and working out a great deal for you. If you'd like to see more content like this from us here at Jones, feel free. Please hit that subscribe button. If you like this video and want to see more content like this, hit the like button, and we'll try to get as many videos out to you as quickly as possible. Thanks again.